Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most useful text functions in Excel, the trim function. If you've ever dealt with messy data in Excel, you know how frustrating it can be to work with extra spaces. But fear not. The trim function is here to save the day. Before we jump into examples, let's quickly understand what the trim function does. The trim function removes extra spaces from a text string, leaving only single spaces between words. It's perfect for cleaning up messy data. Here's a list of names, but some have extra spaces before and after the names. Due to spaces, there may be problem while using the formula like VLOOKUP, SUMIF, count if where exact match are required. Let's use trim formula to remove those extra spaces. Here's the formula. Equals, trim, bracket open, select the text, close the bracket, and hit the enter. Look at that. The extra spaces are gone, leaving us with a clean text. We can then copy the formula down to clean up the entire list. Trim also tackles those annoying double or triple spaces between words. Imagine you have product descriptions like this. Let's use trim formula. Here it is. Now the descriptions look much better. Trim removes all extra spaces, leaving just a single space between words. By using trim, you can transform messy data into clean and organized information, making your spreadsheets a joy to work with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy excelling!